everyone, it's me again, reporting live from, and we're outside one more time. And I'm going to check out this parking lot again. Look at all this snow. Check this out. Whoo! Parking lot doesn't look too bad, actually. A little icy. Some cars still gotta take a big shovel themselves out. A lot of people didn't have work today as a result of the snowstorm. I think even the office jobs were probably telling people to stay home. Not a lot of people access their car. I mean, this one did right here. That one over there. Not these people. And it doesn't look like it's been salted. It's a bit icy, which is why I'm going to be very careful. Yeah, and some people obviously couldn't get their car out today. So let's see how the garage is. You see also there's very little visibility here, which is again why I have to be very careful. Whoa, almost fell. See, that's what happens. These people here in this auto repair shop, you can't see, but they have so much snow. I don't know if they're trying to sell the place, but they can't get to the place, even if they're trying to show it. This here is somebody else's apartment. Look at all this. Oh, that snow that's up there, see? The snow that's up against the wall. That obviously got snow blown. Front door looks all right, or side door looks all right. This is very icy. And I'm watching my step. And here is the entrance to the garage. Actually, let me go over here. I'm not going to go all the way down there. This still needs to be shoveled and plowed a lot better. All right, yeah, see, it's icy, it's slippery here. I need to put some salt here. But you see, that's the management. That's precision real estate management. Precision real estate management in somewhere upstate in like Westchester. Icy. I mean, at least you could drive up and down it, but you got to be so careful. It's very icy. Okay. It's a nice crisp evening. And yeah, look at that. Front area looks pretty good. Look at beautiful Pelham Parkway. Too bad I'm not headed in that direction. Otherwise, I would go in the park and play in the snow a little bit. I love snow. It's really beautiful. Hello. So now I'm going to head this way. And it's time to do what I actually came outside to do, which is go do a little bit of grocery shopping today. Oh, I forgot my bag. Don't tell me I got to go back upstairs. Dang. All right. Yeah, let me go back upstairs. Okay, guys. So have a wonderful evening. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.